What's good, YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. I haven't made a video in a while. I'm lagging. I know I'm lagging. We got another video for y'all. It's a little like, what do they call it? Bro, I forgot the word, but basically for looks. I forgot the word that they use, but it's basically for looks. I'm not big on the, you know, looking cool with like all these lights and everything, you know. As you can tell, I still got the OEM wheels. I'm pretty sure y'all seen I only have the like this LED strip thing, red or whatever. The grill, the wrap, and I used to have a wicker grill on the RT, but I took it off. I don't like really mess with the wicker grills. I don't know why. It's just me though. I don't mess with it. As you can tell, I had one on and I took it off. Bruh. But yeah, I took it off. I don't really like it. So yeah, as y'all could tell, I'm not very big on the like look, you know, the presentation of the car, I guess you could say. But today we do have a little something. Boom. As you can see, one slow bolt. I got a little badge for the car, as you can tell. It's all right. Where am I gonna put it? Can't put it right here in the corner, nor in this one. So it's gonna go right there, right in the middle of the grill. We're gonna try to get it on there because I'm not sure. I don't know if it's going to like hang on or whatever due to the way the grill is. So we'll see. This is my first time putting on a badge, so we're gonna see how hard this gets. But yeah, apparently these, as you can see, you put it in the grill and then the little screws or whatever you want to call them, you screw them. It's tightens or whatever, blah blah blah. And then this is your positive and your ground. You put it into, oh, I'm forgetting one part. And there's these. So the positive goes in one and the ground in another, obviously. Then you connect these. I'll show y'all right now. Let me open the hood. It's pretty dirty down here. Don't mind it, you know. Am I gonna clean it? Don't know. Don't care. But how you call it? So we're gonna tap into the fuse box, as you can see, and basically I'm gonna connect one of these into there. You get me? Let's see how long this takes, man. Alright, don't mind my leg. Don't mind my leg, but alright, as of right now, this is what I'm thinking of doing. I don't know if it's gonna go right or not. I told y'all it's my first time, so these things obviously they can't go here just like that, you know, like come on, it's gonna fall off or whatever. But I was thinking, what if I make like holes right here in these two, because this is the middle right here. So if I make holes right here, make these fit into that hole and just screw it in, you know, that'll be good. But I don't know if it's gonna work, so we're gonna give it a try. If it doesn't work, I'm not putting it on. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't really care for like things like this. I care more for mods, so I could care less for the looks. But we're gonna give it a little shot, you know, see how it comes out. I'll show y'all what's up once I destroy this, you know, because I know nothing never goes right when I'm doing something. So yeah, keep y'all updated. Alright, I'm not trying to jinx myself, but so far I think it's going good. As you can see, I made the first hole already. I got a little bit on the edge, as you can see, but it's good. I started off with a small one, as you can tell. Focus. Yes, I started with a small one. I did as much as I can with the small one. Focus. And then I got a slightly bigger one, and then with this, like the slightly bigger one, I put it in and I went in circles a couple times like that, and it fit right in perfectly. Not too loose, not too tight neither, so that's what she said. No, but as you can see, I already got started on the second one. I already did it with the small one, so now I'm gonna go in with the, that's what she said. Now I'm gonna go in with the slightly bigger one. Hopefully nothing goes bad, but yeah, that's what we on so far. All right, so as you can see, it went pretty well. We got both of them in, and it's very sturdy, as you can see. So the holes are not too tight nor too big, so it's well on there, you know. But now I gotta figure out the wiring part, because that's gonna be a pain, I already know. But yeah, so far I had to zoom it out a bit because you couldn't really see with me sitting down. That's what we got so far. It's not looking that bad. It's not looking good nor bad. It's all right, it's mid, you know. We're gonna see how it looked though with the lights and all that, you know. But like I said, I need to figure out all this wiring stuff now. I do not like wires, but we're gonna have to learn today, so I'll get back to y'all. All right, so we're back. I ran the wire already. I ran into this little, under this little plastic thing or whatever. Yeah, it looks kind of funky, but how you call it, I'll fix it, I'll take it away later. I just want to get everything wired in or whatever. But I just talked to the guy that has sold me this, and he said I don't have the fuse for it, so I'll just have to put power and ground. That's about it. To turn it off and on, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but that's what we're gonna have to do right now. But as you can see, everything's like passed through already. That's there. I need to put the nuts on that one, and that should be it. But we're gonna keep going because it's already getting dark. As you can see, it's already getting dark, and I'm trying to get this over with quick. All right, as y'all can see, we got it down. Who said I couldn't do it, bro? But yeah, we got it down. As you can see, one slow bolt. Everything's connected. I thought I was gonna have to take off the headlights LEDs, but nah, we got it down. How you call it? We got this down as well. You could change it to different like flows. It glows like off your voice as well. So like you put voice, and if you're talking, it'll light up every time you're talking. That's very cool. It syncs up to your music as well, so if you play music, it'll like light up while the music is playing as well. It's very cool. I'll show y'all like a little clip or whatever with another phone, because I can't do it on this one. But yeah, man, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. The guy that sold it to me, I'll put his @ right here somewhere on the video. Oh, the light turned. I was trying to get it with the light off. He gave this to me a while back, but I just never put it on. But all right, let's see if we could go back. Oh yeah, look at that banger. That's fire right there. That's fire. I'll get better videos and all that soon, and I'll post it on my Instagram and TikTok, so make sure y'all stay tuned on that. But yeah, man, all red, one slow bolt in the middle. That's pretty hard. That's pretty hard. The only thing that I'm forgetting right now is these little screws right here that go to the back of this, and that should be it. I'll get back to y'all. All right, so I got it on, got the nuts on, everything's done. Now I just gotta put the fuse thing back on, and that's about it. But yes, this is the video. If it's a short video, my bad, but you know, I did something to the car. But yeah, man, it looks a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. Sheesh, tell me that don't look hard. Once again, I'm gonna get a little like, I'm gonna get some pictures and videos and all of that for y'all, and I'll post it on my Instagram and TikTok. Is right here on this corner. As you can see, it's been there the whole video. If you had, like, if you didn't see it, bro, like, open your eyes a little, but nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram and my TikTok, so y'all gonna see how hard this is gonna go, bruh. I'm pretty hyped for a person that doesn't do like a lot of like looks wise mods or whatever you want to call them. I forgot the word they use, but for a person that really don't care about that, I like this little, you know, this little thing that I did right here. This badge thing. It's pretty cool. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, turn on that bell for y'all can get notified when I post again. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuce.